In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a website in DocFly. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a clickable web link to your PDF and make sure it works when someone opens the file. Start by opening your DocFly dashboard in your browser. If you're not already there, sign in and head to your main dashboard view. From here, look for the New File button. Click that and choose the option to upload from computer. This tells DocFly you want to bring in a file that's already saved locally. Next, click Upload File and select the PDF you want to edit. Give it a moment to upload. Larger files can take a little longer. When it appears in your file list, you're ready to jump into the editor. On the file card, click the three dots to open the menu for that document. Choose Edit. This launches the PDF in DocFly's editor so you can add interactive elements. Once the editor loads, find the Link tool. It's typically in the toolbar along the top with other annotation options. Click Link to activate it. Now draw a link box on your page. Click and drag to place it over the exact area you want to make clickable. This could be a piece of text, a button, a logo, or any hotspot you prefer. You can reposition or resize the box so it neatly covers the intended area without blocking other content. When you release the mouse, a field will appear prompting you to enter the destination. Type in the full website address you want people to visit. For best results, include the full URL with https at the beginning. To avoid typos, you can copy and paste the link from your browser. Double-check the address now. Accuracy here ensures your link works as expected later. If your PDF has multiple places that should point to the same site, repeat this process to add additional link boxes. When you're satisfied, click Save to commit your changes. Saving preserves the link regions you just created. To confirm everything is working, select Export and View. DocFly will prepare a viewable version of your file with the interactive link included. Open the exported document, move your cursor over the linked area to see it highlight, and click to test that it opens the correct website in your browser. That's it. You uploaded your file, opened it in the editor, used the link tool to draw a clickable area, entered the URL, saved, and then exported and viewed the PDF to test. If anything needs adjusting, head back into Edit, tweak the link box or URL, save again, and re-export.